Optic Numerical, July 2017. In Young's double slit experiment, distance between the slits is 0.5 mm. When the screen is kept at a distance of 100 cm from the slits, the distance of ninth bright fringe from the center of the fringe system is 8.835 mm. Find the wavelength of light used. Suppose, Young's double slit experimental the distance between the slits, and the separation between the slits is given. That is 0.5 mm. That is small d, denoted by small d. And the screen kept at a distance of 100 cm from the slits. Andre distance between this screen and slits is 100 cm. The distance of ninth bright fringe from the center of the fringe system is 8.835 mm. This is the central bright fringe. This is the central bright fringe. 0th bright fringe ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಅದರಿಂದ 9ನೇ bright fringe, the distance between these two ಎಷ್ಟದ 8.835 mm ಅದ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ find the wavelength of light used. Okay, to find the wavelength of light used, we are going to use a formula that is x subscript n. What do you mean by that? That is the distance of nth bright fringe from the central bright fringe in the nth bright fringe iruvanta distance is equals to n into lambda, wavelength of light used, into d, that is capital D is the distance between slits and screen, divided by small d. Small d is the separation between the slits. Now just write the given thing. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, small d is given 0.5 mm ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Capital D is given 100 cm. 100 cm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ 1 meter. N, that is ninth bright fringe. X subscript 9 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That is the distance between central bright fringe and ninth bright fringe ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದು 8.835 millimeter. That is 8.835 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Formula ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, xn is equals to n into lambda into capital D divided by small d. Okay, xn, that is nth bright fringe distance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is ninth bright fringe. This is 9. D ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, small d ಗೊತ್ತು. You need to calculate what? Lambda. And just write it like this. Lambda is equal to ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Keep this lambda here only. Okay, x subscript n into d ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by here n ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, capital D ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ಏನಾಯ್ತು n into capital D. Okay, now substitute the values ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Lambda is equal to what is x subscript n? That is ninth bright fringe. Distance from central bright fringe in the ninth bright fringe road distance is to the 8.835 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And D, separation between the slits 0.5 mm, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಇದು, ನೈನ್ತ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 100 cm. 100 cm ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 meter. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ 8.835 into 0.5 ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ಟು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ 4.4175. 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 10 raised to minus 6 meter ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 9 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿ 9 ಅದ. 4.4175 divided by 9 ಮಾಡಿರಿ, what you get? You will get a 0.4908 and 10 raised to minus 6 as it is. Now here I'll shift this. ಇದು 9 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 0.4908 into 10 raised to minus 6 ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 2 3 4 ಏನಾಯಿತು, 4908 into 10 raised to minus 4 ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, into 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 10 raised to minus 10 meter ಆಯಿತು. Now it is 4908 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, 10 raised to 10 meter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ that is angstrom. Therefore, the wavelength of light used here is 4908 angstrom ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.